Hi friends, if you want to create a stunning website but not sure which WordPress theme can be good for you, choosing a multi-purpose WordPress theme is a good idea. Using a multi-purpose theme can give you multiple options of pre-made website and you can quickly launch your website in no time. But choosing a perfect multi-purpose WordPress theme is also a challenging task. In this video we have a great WordPress theme and it is around multi-purpose business WordPress theme. So we are going to overview this theme. This is of course a multi-purpose theme and it has multiple pre-made demos available, so you can use this theme for your business consulting, shop, creative agency, web studio, product landing, product gadgets, mobile app showcase, co-working space, event landing, digital marketing, food blog, or so there are many options. So you can choose any of these pre-made website for your upcoming project, and I'm sure you are going to like this design. But yes, if we are planning to choose this theme, we have to understand its complete features and functionality, which is very important for choosing and deciding any particular theme. Around is a multi-purpose business WordPress theme and it has been developed by a power elite author called Madras Themes. So we have also seen earlier in earlier videos the themes made by Madras Themes. All themes are very good and they are actually a very good developer and they create wonderful WordPress themes. Okay, so using multi-purpose theme has an advantage that you can use this any of multi-purpose theme for multiple purposes, and this theme is built with Elementor. I mean the Elementor is the page builder behind this theme, and you can use this option, and there are many options like WooCommerce and all such things are available. So let us overview the options and the installation process, demo import process, so that we can take a wide decision about this theme. So I have already shown you some of the demo website that is available for import, and these websites are really good and cool in design, so you can use this design directly for your website. Okay, so you need a domain name and a hosting plan for your website project, and I am assuming you have both. And if you have yet not taken a domain name and hosting, especially hosting is required in form of optimized WordPress hosting, so you can follow the link of this video and description, and you can avail a very optimized hosting plan in a very reasonable price, so that you can start your website very quickly, and we are here to support you. Also, you have a team of supporters. You can join the iCreate platform for making your website with support of website mentors, and you can connect the program, so you can get an onboarding and quick chat supports and all such things are available. You can find the link on WP Themes website, so just follow the link of video description. Okay, so this is a fresh installation of WordPress and it is running the default 2022 WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. And I'll also show you the theme pack. In the theme pack I have this around, so docs are available, dummy data, licensing, some plugins are available around, Elementor.zip and around extensions, zip, and theme files, the main theme file and the child theme file, changelog, license and text. Okay, so we are going to use this around.zip file for our installation purpose, and it is showing 7.7 MB in size. Okay, so when you are ordering the hosting plan, so you will be getting the complete control on your hosting like cPanel and all the necessary access like file manager and PHP, INI editor and all such things. So you have both the advantage of this cPanel and the complete access on your hosting plan, so that you may control your website completely. Okay, to install the theme we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress, and let us start the installation. Click on themes, and here the default 2022 WordPress theme is here, and we can click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the around.zip file. So this is only the installable file. I mean, you have to upload only around.zip file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. And we can take an advantage that we are having with the hosting plan we have. So we can access the file manager directly through the cPanel, and we can upload the theme file directly here. Click on upload, select file. This is the directory of WP content themes folder, and I will upload the around.zip here. So it is a direct upload method. However, you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme. Both will bring the same result. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. This method is more convenient for me. This is why I am using. It is nothing very important. So we have got this around folder in which we have all the elements of the theme in form of folders and file. So simply delete this zip one to save some server space, and as I said, you can use this screen for uploading the themes. And coming back to the themes screen, we have now around as another theme option along with the default theme. Okay, so let us check the details. This is around version 1.0.11 by Madras Themes. As I said, the Madras Themes are the original developer of theme, and it is a multi-purpose WordPress theme. So as on date, this is being the latest version with me. And when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the video description, you might be getting an updated version of theme, but the installation process and the features will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme. Okay, so upon activation, we have an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Let us see what is here, and it is great. This theme uses very less number of plugins, and this is going to give you a stable website. If any theme uses less number of plugins, it is going to give you a stable website, it is for sure. And Elementor is here, the great page builder, now being widely used on WordPress websites. Around extension and around Elementor is these are three required plugins, and rest three are recommended only. So one click demo import is required for importing the demo content, safe SVG for using SVG files, and WP forms is here. So amazingly, this theme is not using contact form 7. This is WP forms Lite here. So less number of plugins are here, and we can simply install all these plugins by one click. And let us see. Okay, so it is not going through. In fact, we can install plugin one by one. It is also very simple, so it will hardly take a minute or two in installing all the plugins, so it is not a matter of big deal. Okay, so I am installing one by one all plugins. Safe SVG is here, and WP Forms Lite. Okay, wonderful. So all 6 plugin has been installed successfully, and I'll try to activate all the installed plugins in one go. Okay, so we have installed all plugins and activated as well. So coming back to the dashboard, we are fine, and we have successfully installed all the plugins and along with the theme. So this is time when we can take a look of our website, how it looks in fact with the theme and all set of plugins. And this is the core look of website that is using around WordPress theme, and it is showing very simple text because it don't have any data. So we can import the demo content for making any website like any of this. So I like this uh, marketing SEO layout very much, so you can choose any, of course. And let us proceed towards importing the demo content, and I'll find the option where we can do this. So under appearance I can see there is an option called import demo data, and I'll follow this link. And yes, all options are here, all demos, landing pages, secondary, and we have to import secondary pages like about and contacts and coming soon. Templates are here like blog, portfolio, shop, miscellaneous, full demo is here, demos, full demo, help center, or demos, landing pages. Okay, so I'm choosing my desired one, that is digital marketing and SEO. You can choose, you can use your own choice, so there are many choices available, and I'm clicking this on for digital marketing and SEO option. And I have clicked on import demo, and this is the screen. It is showing more options of plugin, but we don't need any of these plugins. This demo will import one page and 14 images, and it may take up to a minute. Menu, widgets and settings will not be imported. Content imported already will not be imported. Alternatively, you can okay, so that is fine, so we can proceed. And as it is said, it may take 1 minute, and we have to wait patiently on this screen. So don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. It is very important to get all the demo contents, and let this process to complete without any disturbance. Okay, so as it was said, I got this wonderful message, import complete, congrats, your demo was imported successfully within a minute. So we can take another look of our website, and okay, so it is still showing. So we can check the pages. Amazingly, all pages should be here. Okay, so it is here. Okay, so it was said that it will import only one page, and rest of pages can be imported with the next options. Okay, so this is the home page, that is required home page, and we can simply set this home page for our website. For setting the home page, we can go back to the dashboard, and you might be thinking, where is the rest of the pages? So it is the pattern of this import. You have to import additional pages separately, and all those pages are available. I'll show you definitely before, but let us first set the home page. Then that is the page that we have imported as our home page. And home page setting is here, aesthetic home page, select, demo, and publish. Okay, so as it was said, the extra content, it is good that this demo import process has imported only the required page and elements. So I have seen, and the demo imports brings all unnecessary, even along with the necessary, of course, along with the necessary files, there are several unnecessary media items, pages that is not required, and we it actually confuses us, and it is not even good for from SEO perspective. So if we have got only the desired page, it is fine. So we can go ahead further for importing the rest of page, just in case if we want like secondary pages. So if you are willing to import the about page, you can simply import about page, and again this demo will import 33 items, will include one page and 22 images. So as you proceed, you will get the pages whatever you want, like it is bringing the about page at our installation. And further we can click on the area that we so you can see it hardly took sorry. So it took around 30 seconds and we can visit the site again, and we have the about pages page as well. So okay, so we can check the page and about pages here. So it is very simple to import the pages that we need for our website, and this is the about page. And it is good that we can import pages one by one. Of course it takes time, but it does not clutters your installation with the unnecessary files. It is a good thing in fact. Okay, so you can similarly import rest of the pages, rest of the part of the website, and you have to create the menu and rest of the things as well. So as of now there is no menu because we don't have any page, so you can create menus and all such things. So it is very simple, and just in case if you need any support, as I told you, you can join the iCreate platform, or you can even ask any question in the comment section of this video. You can get in touch with us through WP Themes website. So you have many options to start your website. You will get every support, every element for your website, so don't worry. Okay, so we have completed the installation, we have imported the demo, and the menu can be created simply, and this is the website that we have imported. So now I'm going to show you what is here in the background. I'm in the back end, and it is very simple installation, and it is very clean installation in fact. Okay, so we have only customize option with this theme, and it is also the theme control panel. You can see like by default all these things are available as in WordPress, like site identity, logo can be uploaded from here, just in case if you want to upload logos, so you can upload simple logo from here, and the rest of things like okay, so I'll show you the logo, how it works, and there are some files available. So I can see, okay, so this is one image available, and we can crop image and simply publish this logo. So it is very simple to upload the things, and I can also show you how you can. So these are the options, and you can control the colors. So you can enable the custom colors, and you can use the color option, like you can change the primary color completely here, and it is up to you which color you want for your website. So it gets changed immediately, so it is very simple. And header image you can change, like for inner pages, footer and header elements is under your control. So simple setting but effective one. So it is a good thing that this website has no cluttering of unnecessary content. Okay, so it is fine, and we have seen the options, and you might be thinking how you can edit the content. If you are new to WordPress, simply open the page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. You will be able to edit the content. Okay, so simply click on the area that you want to edit, and you can change the text. So just keep in mind, if you are changing the image, you have to use same dimension of image that has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest things will be fine, and as I said, we can connect for further support and making your website live and up. So I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the functionality of around WordPress theme, features, installation process we have seen in this video. And if you have any further question, you can get in touch with us, and you can buy the theme by following the link given in the description. So let us start building a stunning and wonderful business website, and I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress resource in next video. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.